Knowing After Effects isn't enough. If you want your work to stand out, you have to become an animator. As a self-taught motion designer, that lesson took me a long time to learn. Tutorials taught me how to be good at After Effects, not how to animate. I knew my work didn't stack up to other artists, but I didn't realize what I was missing were the principles of animation. Once I learned them, everything changed. I went from knowing how to use a program to actually understanding how to animate. And that's why I've created Animation Principles for Motion Designers, the complete guide to learning timeless animation principles with modern motion design in mind. Through more than 12 hours of structured video lessons, you'll learn how to apply these principles not just in After Effects, but to any kind of animation. I'll walk you through my complete animation workflow with 8 fun, real-world projects from start to finish, each focused on a core animation principle. You'll also get a unique challenge assignment for each lesson to help you put what you've learned into practice, which is the key to actually becoming an animator. Once you've built that foundation, everything changes. You'll start to see motion differently, not just as keyframes and graphs, but as performance, rhythm, and personality. You'll be able to approach any animation project with clarity and confidence. And if you purchase by November 21st, you'll save 33% off the full price. You'll also get exclusive access to the Animators Nook, a limited-run, private community where you'll have direct access to me for support, join regular live calls, and complete the course alongside other students. Plus, Plug and Play has partnered with me to offer students who purchase my course during the launch sale 3 months of complimentary full access to their platform of top After Effects plugins and templates, which will help you put what you learn in this course to practice even more efficiently. Whether you're brand new to animation or ready to take your motion to the next level, this course will give you the foundation every great motion designer needs. It's time for you to move past just being good at After Effects. I'll see you in class.